Water, keep going. Can't see anything past there. Probably. Two-week recovery, probably. At least. for your right HSCT.
Hey there, thanks for watching the video. I thought I'd take some time at the end here so you can get some information if you're looking for that, so let's get started. First off, you'll probably want a partner. This hike starts and ends in different locations, with one end being at Cypress and the other at Porteau Cove. We both drove up the night before and my friend Paul dropped off his car. The next morning I drove us to the Cypress lot and we started hiking it from there. You can actually do this hike in reverse, but when you start at the Cypress lot, there's less elevation gain and more downhill. This hike was actually done in 2021. I just hiked Robbie Reed the week before, so I was a bit sore, which had me hiking quite slowly.
My mind is fresh, I'm ready to hike. My body is broken.
My total time was just under 14 hours and moving time was just over 11. There's not too much water on this hike until you get to Deeks Lake near the end, so if it's a hot day I would just carry quite a bit with me. A lot of people choose to camp on this hike, so just keep the water locations in mind if you choose to do so. Like most hikes, I used all trails to navigate with GPS. It's honestly pretty hard to get lost on this one if you're following the GPS tracks on a clear day, but I'll go over the general direction. You first pass St. Mark's summit, then keep hiking up and down a few peaks to the base of the Lions. Going down and east from there, you go down and cut underneath the West Lion to the ridgeline below. This part probably has the best views, where you walk this ridgeline up and down a few peaks to near the base of Harvey. And in the next section there's an emergency hut in case you needed shelter for the night. Past this you cut across Brunswick Mountain down to Deeks Lake and keep going down until you reach Porteau Cove. Honestly, there's not too much scrambling on this one. If you're comfortable with the West Lion and Brunswick Mountain, I don't think you'll have much trouble on this. It was quite wet when we did this in certain sections, but all the steep muddy parts, they had fixed ropes on there that you can grab on if you need to. This is some of the nicest scenery I've seen on a hike. If you're just visiting Vancouver, this is probably the best way to experience the North Shore hiking, especially if you're hitting the summit of the Lions, Harvey and Brunswick on the trip as well. You might want to do that as an overnighter at least though, unless you're trail running or don't mind hiking the last bits in the dark. And that's all I have to say. If you have any more questions for me, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, say hi if you see me out there, and feel free to subscribe if you like what you see. See ya.